Hello, welcome to my shop. This will be my entry into the 2020 Quarantine CNC Challenge. I decided to make a simple plaque. The size will be 14 inches wide, 9.5 inches high. I heard someone refer to the virus as Kung Flu. It reminded me of the 70s song, Kung Fu Fighting. So I will use the first line of that song and change the word fu to flu. I did an image search on Google and found this cartoonish looking scientific symbol for the virus. I added text to the symbol, COVID-19 in 2020 for the year. Who better to fight the virus and go along with a 70s theme than Hong Kong Phooey? Why would Hong Kong Phooey come out of retirement to fight this virus? To protect his toilet paper, of course. Here I created the toolpath, one for each vector and then one for the whole unit as a whole. The individual vectors will be, in case I need to make any adjustments, I can do them one image at a time. When I'm done, it should look similar to this. I will paint the carvings, but not black like in this image. I will have to go with a lighter color, probably white. I'll rough cut them down to size with my circular saw. I'll then cut them down to their final size on the table saw. I can then plane it down to 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to try staining it first and then run it on the CNC just to see how it comes out. I've seen other people do it. This will be my first time doing it. We'll see if I like it or not. And after it was done, I found out I don't like it. Maybe it's just wood I used, but it just soaked up the stain too deep, and the carving didn't come out quite like I wanted, so I'll end up having to paint the carvings later. You can see in these carvings that the white maple is still stained even in the deepest parts of the carve. So this maple is really sucked in the stain, but that's okay, I'll fix it with paint. I'm going to hit the carving with some clear lacquer. This will help seal the grain before painting. Now that the paint's dry, I'll need to do quite a bit of sanding to get rid of any excess paint. Spray on a final clear coat. I'll call this one done. Hope you like it.